What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing a different steering wheel. Well, we're going to be removing this steering wheel because someone installed it and they basically just threw it in there. This nut that holds the hub, it's loose, and it's just that's how loose it is. And then these bolts aren't even in there tight. So let me see if I can remove this, and then I'll get back to you guys. We picked up this $10 steering wheel right now, and then this NRG hub was in the truck when we picked it up, and this is gonna get replaced whenever we find like a good deal on another steering wheel. But for now, let me try to remove this hub. My bad, you guys, I forgot to record, but all I did was use these grips. I grabbed onto one of these because look, you can't even screw the tool to remove this on there because they messed up all the threads. So what I did was I started hitting it with the hammer, and basically just came off like that. And then now put this hub in there, make sure that the wheels are straight, which they are. So now with the wheels straight and the hub in place, I'm gonna start. I guess I'm gonna start bolting this hub down. But I'm gonna put a nut. I'm gonna put a washer back there. And I'm gonna start running it down. Let me find a washer real quick. I found the washer that fits, and I'm just gonna use it to run it down. Then I'm gonna run to the store and buy a nut with some thread, with the locking threads or whatever. But that's what I'm gonna use for now. So I'm gonna put the steering wheel on, and this steering wheel only has 4 of the 5 bolts, so that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use these 4 with the new steering wheel. And then I got all 4 bolts in. Now I'm gonna run down this nut in the middle. I think it's a 19mm. The steering wheel feels way better than the other steering wheel because the other hub was all loose and stuff. But I'm gonna have to get a locking nut, a horn button, and a different steering wheel to replace this one. But it should get us by for a cool minute. Well, that's it for this video, you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.